and they all think that they should be getting into IIM Ahmedabad someday. क्या सीन है यार, हो जाएगा IIM Ahmedabad?
I wrote CAT 3 times. Okay, when I wrote the CAT first time, मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा कि I'd go to IIM Ahmedabad. And third time maybe, to be very honest, I didn't expect it because I was a very, very average student. I didn't go to an NIT, didn't go to an IIT. Went to this useless university which is called Mumbai University. And if I can do it, then yes, I think anyone can. So. में my quant percentile was 53 or something, 53, 54, and वहाँ से I went to 92, which is probably the biggest achievement of my life.
Wow.
Yeah, and I was terrible at math. Like I'm mathematically challenged. So.
मोटा syllabus कुछ नहीं है, right?
Yeah.
Because they can ask anything under the sun.
Yeah.
There is some traditional DILR questions. There is some new age DI games and tournaments. उनके उसके लिए क्या advice है?
Right. So to start off, I'd say just focus on the basics, like sir was saying, right?
अगर quant ठीक नहीं है, over a period of time they can improve. So is it can they be very selective in the preparation? Arithmetic कर लो, algebra कर लो अच्छे से, कि सब कुछ starting में करे because अभी time है CAT को. You or your family members watching my videos, starting के अंदर.
Fun fact, my dad used to watch a lot of Rahul sir's videos and he used to tell me कि अच्छा there's this guy on YouTube called Rahul sir. He said follow these advices and I would follow them. So it really worked for me. So I think I'm meeting him for the first time today in person. So for me, it's a full circle moment once again.
Would you go back to IIM Ahmedabad?
In a heartbeat.
Yeah, in a heartbeat.
Yeah.
Super. तुम अभी बातें छोड़ो और बस पढ़ाई करो.
Yes.
And look at the smile on the face. We gonna get this smile on the face. और फाड़ दो जरा CAT. All these kids are going through their journey of CAT preparation, and they all think that they should be getting into IIM Ahmedabad someday. क्या सीन है यार, हो जाएगा IIM Ahmedabad?
See guys, I wrote CAT 3 times. Okay, when I wrote the CAT first time, मैंने कभी नहीं सोचा कि I'd go to IIM Ahmedabad. And third time maybe, to be very honest, I didn't expect it. I was like, chalo, maybe I'll go wherever I get. But and I keep saying this. I have my own YouTube channel, and I keep saying this one line. I keep harping about it. If I can do it, you can do it too. Because I was a very, very average student. I didn't go to an NIT, didn't go to an IIT. Went to this useless university which is called Mumbai University. And if I can do it, then yes, I think anyone can. So
super. By the way, bhai, good surprise. Ma'am was sitting on that side of the table around 3 years back, ma'am.
Yes. So I was also a CATKing student. I worked very closely with Anisha ma'am. I cleared the NMAT. And it was like a full circle moment when I got to like come back here as a faculty member. So
super.
Always grateful to CATKing for that.
Great. Bhai, life on this side is really amazing. Pehle pledge likho that all the women, all the boys in the house, you got to be next Milana, go to bloody IIM Ahmedabad, go to FMS and come back here and come and meet me, and then this is going to be really amazing. क्या बात है, क्या relatable inspiration है. Good. Ma'am, आपका profile क्या है? You what's your background like? Engineer, non-engineer?
Yeah. So I'm a non-engineer. I belong to the weird category, as sir likes to put it. I did my undergrad in mass media. I majored in advertising, worked for 20 months before my MBA. And then eventually I wrote the CAT and got in my third attempt.
इनको inspire कर थोड़ा. How was life at IIM Ahmedabad? Was it game changer? Was it stressful? Was it सब नहीं बताना है. अच्छी चीज.
Of course, even if I give you an overall picture, I would say net it's one of the best experiences of my life. I cannot tell you how amazing it was. The first term was stressful. First time I was like, yaar, kahan aake phas gaye? But after that, it's unforgettable. It's a journey of a lifetime, and I really hope each one of you gets to experience it because it's transformative in the best possible way.
Super. Let's talk about preparation right now. Yeah. Milana, what is your overall CAT percentile? How did you prepare verbal ability? We're doing this series in which all the CATKing family members are coming and inspiring them right now because thoda stress mein, like the way you were, like the way I was, right?
Yeah.
And let's go step by step. If you remember your CAT percentile and how was your verbal ability, how much was the quant, how much was the DILR?
Sure. At a 97.56, I got lucky because I'm a non-engineer female. But my verbal percentile is 98, my DILR was 95, and quant was 92. Fun fact, my first attempt mein my quant percentile was 53 or something, 53, 54, and wahan se I went to 92, which is probably the biggest achievement of my life.
Wow.
So and I was terrible at math. Like I'm mathematically challenged. So if you're like me, there's hope. Don't worry.
57 percentile in first CAT and then 54 in first CAT, and if you're really seriously preparing, तो वहां से तुम 92 की CAT की quant की journey मार सकते हो. But this thing you haven't heard, verbal was 98, 99. अगर तुम्हारा एक section, I always tell them, Milana, take one section to the moon, take one section. If you remember my videos, तो एक सेक्शन तो बहुत बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है.
Yeah.
सर, आई एम मैथमेटिकली डिसेबल्ड. आई एम आल्सो
So we don't lose hope, guys.
Don't lose hope for sure. Lovely. Let's talk about the DILR section. पहले verbal करते हैं. Verbal तेरा strongest था.
Yeah.
क्या पढ़ना है? You are a part of the CATKing family as well. Dashboard is more than sufficient if they go through the
Yes.
dashboard.
Absolutely. I think the dashboard encompasses everything. So just do that diligently. The other thing, one word of advice I tell people is don't spend too much time reading from books. Try to do a digital thing, which is why the dashboard is so important. Because when you read from a book, ऐसे finger रख के पढ़ते हो, it's much easier to engage with it. But reading on a screen is a little more challenging. So whatever you read, read on a screen. And the dashboard should be more than sufficient.
बहुत ही बढ़िया. Great. And let's talk about the DILR section. Your DILR was good. So is it all about solving all the possible sets in the exam, or it's only like यार गिने चुने करो पर अच्छे से करो? Is it important to do the basics like percentages, averages? Because
Yeah.
DILR मोटा मोटा syllabus कुछ नहीं है,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Because they can ask anything under the sun.
Yeah.
There is some traditional DILR questions. There is some new age DI games and tournaments. उनके उसके लिए क्या advice है?
Right. So to start off, I'd say just focus on the basics, like sir was saying, right? The shortcuts and what is 1/7, what's 1/12, these things. जो मैं भूल चुकी हूँ, to be honest, but in the moment it's very important. That said, so that's the first thing. Get your quick math basics very strong, and uske baad what you should do is you should learn to identify sets. So when you look at a question, you should be able to in like 10 seconds say, can I do this or can I not do this? The better you get at that, the quicker you'll be at making the right decisions, because then you'll know that this is a set I should definitely avoid and this is a set I have to do. Because in the last minute, I think people get stuck taking the wrong set and usi pe they'll hyperfixate and they'll kind of get lost in it. So make sure you know which set to pick and then you play to your strengths.
Super. Great. Let's talk about the quant section. So quant में इसने बोला कि quant में you should tell क्या नहीं करना चाहिए quant में, but नहीं, फिर भी यार देखो किसी non engineers का अगर quant ठीक नहीं है, over a period of time they can improve. So is it can they be very selective in the preparation? Arithmetic कर लो, algebra कर लो अच्छे से, कि सब कुछ स्टार्टिंग भी करे, because अभी टाइम है कैट को. What's your recommendation?
See, time hai, so you should ideally do everything. That's the most ideal answer. But if you feel like some topics, like for me, permutations and combinations probability, abhi tak mujhe nahi samajhte. ठीक है, I don't know how I don't know how I got through B school, because वहाँ पे भी थोड़ा बहुत ये आता है. But make sure you do arithmetic, algebra, geometry. These are non-negotiables. You have to do them. Baki ka, if you can do, then nothing like it. But this is a non-engineer centric advice. If you're an engineer, unfortunately, you will have to do all of it, because you will need a much higher percentile. And I know वैसे बहुत engineers को चिढ़ होती है इस बात से, but it is what it is now.
Super. So, last thing, the mocks. अभी तो mocks को थोड़ा time है.
Yeah.
Normally, what's the good time? Is it April, May, June a good time? And how many mocks they should give? I normally advise them 30 plus mocks they should give, but what's your advice?
Yeah, I mean, I think May is a good time to start with mocks. I think the moment you're done with your 80% of the syllabus, you should start with the mocks. That's my word of advice. But of course, it depends from person to person. And I took around 40 mocks, 40 plus mocks. So the more, the merrier, the better it is. But I would say stop taking mocks in the month of November, because that's when your confidence has to be up. So I always tell people कि November first week में stop taking mocks and stop when you have a good score. Because if you have a good score and then 2 mocks later you get like a shitty score, then chances are you will just feel deflated and then your morale will go down. So be wise about when you stop taking mocks. Stop on a high. That's the only way.
Great, yeah. That's lovely. And finally, parting thoughts. Were my videos, were you or your family members watching my videos?
Yes.
Starting in there.
Fun fact, my dad used to watch a lot of Rahul sir's videos, and he used to tell me, Acha, there's this guy on YouTube called Rahul sir. He said, follow these advices. And I would follow them. So it really worked for me. So I think I'm meeting him for the first time today in person. So for me, it's a full circle moment once again. So
that's so amazing. That's so amazing. Boys and girls, say a big thank you to Milana, ma'am. I'm going to call her ma'am from a student. She's come a long way. Thank you लिखो जरा chat के अंदर. Milana, once they get a GDPI call, convert करवा देंगे इनका?
Yes, absolutely.
What are you going to teach them once these guys get a GDPI?
I will teach you how to be confident, because I think confidence is everything in the GDPI.
बहुत ही बढ़िया. And any other things, current affair कुछ पढ़ाएगी इनको थोड़ा बहुत?
Yes, अभी 3 साल से मैं current affairs पढ़ा रही हूँ CATKing family के साथ. So if you join and sign up, we can all interact there. So fun.
Already have access. तुम interview call लेके आओ यार. Ma'am is so sweet. Thank you so much. अरे क्या बात है, great. Milana, more power to you, and keep killing. And they're all saying thank you to you, and all the best,
best of luck
for future endeavors. Ma'am is really amazing. She was in Accenture Strategy, which is like a day zero, day minus company at IIM Ahmedabad. And then now she's in Quality Walls. So next time maybe you see an ice cream, stall near your place. It could be ma'am some strategy what she has done. And it's been 3 years out of IIM Ahmedabad.
No, 2 years.
It's been 2 years.
24 batch.
24
Yeah.
batch, lovely. And given a chance, would you go back to IIM Ahmedabad?
In a heartbeat.
Yeah, in a
Yeah.
heartbeat. That's super. तो तुम अभी बातें छोड़ो और बस पढ़ाई करो.
Yes.
And look at the smile on the face. We gonna get this smile on the face. और फाड़ दो तेरा cat. ठीक है भाई?